Hello everyone, welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing the best jobs to have if you're looking to start your own business. Starting a business can be a big commitment and a lot of work, so it's important to find a job that provides the flexibility and financial stability to pursue your business on the side. But before we start, just make sure you don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoy this video, so you will keep us motivated to bring new ones to you. Thank you. Let's start now. First, let's talk about freelance work. Being a freelancer in a specific field such as writing, graphic design, or programming, allows you to set your own schedule and take on projects when you have the time and energy to focus on them. This can provide a steady source of income while still leaving time to pursue your own business. Some examples of freelance work include being a freelance writer, graphic designer, web developer, photographer, or social media manager. Next, let's talk about remote jobs. With the rise of technology, many companies now offer the option to work remotely, which can provide more flexibility in terms of when and where you work. This can be a great option if you're looking to start your own business because it allows you to have a steady income while still being able to work on your business during your free time. Some examples of remote work include being a customer service representative, software developer, data analyst, or virtual assistant. Other options to consider are part-time or flexible hours jobs. Taking on a part-time job can provide a steady source of income while still leaving time to pursue your own business. Part-time jobs are often more flexible than full-time jobs, which can be beneficial if you're trying to balance starting your own business with working a regular job. Some examples of part-time work include being a retail sales associate, administrative assistant, tutor, or delivery driver. The best flexible hours jobs usually are in customer service, entertainment, security, and hospitality industries. These industries regularly work with recruitment agencies too, so if you are registered with an agency, then you can pick your shifts up often as many as you want, and work wherever and whenever the shifts are. Some examples of these jobs include being a host or hostess, security guard, dancer, waiter, or bartender. Finally, let's talk about consulting. Consulting in a specific field can be a great way to share your expertise and build a network of contacts while still having the time to focus on your own business. Consulting can provide a steady source of income, and it can also give you valuable insights and experience in your industry. Some examples of consulting work include management consulting, IT consulting, marketing consulting, financial consulting, or HR consulting. It's important to note that these are just a few examples and there are many other jobs that could fit into each category. It's also worth exploring industries and job titles that align with your skills, interests, and business ideas. Remember, starting a business is a big commitment and can be a lot of work, so it's important to make sure you have a solid plan in place before quitting your day job. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And, don't forget to hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. See you in the next video.